How can you crop your photos using RawTherapee? In this tutorial, you'll find clear instructions and practical examples to help you master the cropping process with ease. Hey everyone, if you're new here, hit that follow or subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our future editing deep dives. Now, let's jump straight into opening your image with RawTherapee. After launch RawTherapee, double-click the image you want to edit. It will open directly in the Editor tab. In the top left of the Editor panel, click the Transform icon. Then click the Crop icon to enable the Crop tool. When you move your cursor over an edge, the cursor will turn into the Crop icon. Make sure the Hand tool top left of the image is active. Now move your cursor over any corner or edge of the crop frame until it turns into the Crop icon. Click and drag to adjust the crop box. To reposition the entire selection, hold Shift and drag inside the box to move it to any area you want. To change aspect ratio, in Crop panel, click the drop-down labeled as Image. Choose any preset ratio, the crop frame will update automatically. If you want a custom ratio, go back to the same place, then uncheck the lock ratio. Now move your cursor over any side of the crop frame until it turns into the crop icon. Then click and drag that side to adjust the box. You can adjust the crop from any side you like, giving you complete freedom to crop your image exactly how you want. Also, you can enable composition guides. In Guide Type drop-down, select any grid overlay like Rule of Thirds. The guide will appear over your image to help you align elements as you crop. If you want to hide the composition guides, go back to the Guide Type drop-down in the Crop panel. Select None. The grid overlay will disappear. Now, once you've set your crop, you can change how the cropped out areas look. Above the image preview, you'll see 4 small boxes. Click the black box to turn the outside area black, the gray box for gray, the white box for white. Pick whichever overlay helps you see your composition best. I like to keep the cropped areas transparent, so I select the transparent box. Next, to fit the crop frame to your workspace by its long edge, click the Fit Crop to Screen icon at the bottom of the preview, or just press F on your keyboard. If your side panels cover or not cover part of the image, move your cursor over a panel edge until it turns into the Resize arrow, then click and drag to adjust the panel width, making your crop area as small or as large as you need. Finally, press F again to refit the crop frame to the screen. Repeat as needed until the crop box sits exactly where you want it. Congratulations on completing the tutorial. You now have the skills to crop your photos effectively using RawTherapee. Remember to apply what you've learned, and feel free to drop a comment if you had any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.